Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable IMAP in Zoho Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Zoho Mail's website by typing in mail.zoho.com. After signing in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon that represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings menu, search for the option labeled Mail. Under this, you'll find a section called Mail Accounts, which is specifically designed for configuring how your email interacts with external clients and services. Then go and click on IMAP section. Here, scroll down until you see the IMAP Access section. IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, is essential if you want your emails to remain synced across multiple devices like your smartphone, tablet, and computer. Now, look for the checkmark switch next to the Enable IMAP option. If it isn't already turned on, go ahead and click the toggle. You'll see the switch move or change color, confirming that IMAP is now active. In some cases, you may also be prompted with a Save button. If that appears, make sure to click it to finalize and save your changes. And that's it. So that is how you can enable IMAP in Zoho Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.